Welcome, lovers of wisdom. Christmas is glorious. Ready, set, go!
To have your best Christmas ever, I am convinced that you have to engage all your physical senses: hearing, smell, taste, touch, and sight, and your spiritual senses: imagination, intuition, empathy, motivation, awareness, to name but a few. Welcome back. We are exploring 28 ways to make this your best Christmas ever. Number 25 is the sights, smells, and sounds of Christmas. How do you experience Christmas through the sense of hearing? What are your favorite sounds at Christmas? Christmas music, Christmas bells, children laughing, carolers singing, gifts being opened, the fire crackling? How do you experience Christmas through the sense of smell? What does Christmas smell like to you? Apple pie, pecan pie, the smell of a fresh Christmas tree, incense at church, crisp, cold, fresh air, hot chocolate, gingerbread, an open fire, pudding, cinnamon. How do you experience Christmas through the sense of sight? What does Christmas look like for you? Stars, the manger, reindeer, the child Jesus, nutcracker, snowflakes, a packed church, candles? Now consider some of your spiritual senses. How is God inviting you to engage your imagination this Christmas? How is God inviting you to engage your intuition this Christmas? How is God inviting you to engage your empathy? What area of your life is God calling you to engage your motivation? How is everything you are doing this season increasing your awareness?
Have a great day!